loves, how are you guys doing today? It's your girl Grace. Well, today I know I've been preaching about natural hair all this while. Guys, I am tired of looking so unkempt, tattered, and always like the struggle is real, y'all, with natural hair. um I was basically into it more time before I had my babies. And after I had my babies, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna go into it more, get products and all that stuff. But now my kickoff career of being a makeup artist and hairstylist is now getting at it, is picking up. I don't have much time to take care of myself, um, take care of the hair so much. So, and sometimes the hairstyles I want to do, because I do my own braiding, I braid my own hair. The hairstyles I want to do, because of um, lack of, like, because of the hair is coarse and not fine. They don't last long, which is not something I need. I need something like, and I don't wear wigs, yo. I hate wigs. Like, wigs makes me so uncomfortable. So that's why. So I decided to perm my hair, and I promised myself it's just gonna be twice in a year. That means since I started this January, the next time I'm going to do it is in the next 6 months. So that's twice in a year. So let's say January, February, March, April, May, June, July. That's when I'm going to retouch it again. So before then, yeah, that is it is what it is, yo. Or not. But before that, let's start up. So the product I'll be using is this Mega Hair Growth. Mega Hair Growth has been the only relaxer back home in Nigeria that works for me. So even when I came to the US, I was also retouching my hair. I also went back to Mega Hair Growth because I feel like it's the only product that works perfectly for me. And in here, I bought the box. I'm sorry, I already opened it. So it has the cream, the relaxer itself, and it has the activator. So this one comes in two, and then it comes with this one is leave-in. This one is leave-in. This one doesn't need to be washed out. This one is, yeah, it has two leave-in in it, and it has like a shampoo that's a neutralizer, and it has two shampoo. I don't know, there's no conditioner. It's supposed to come with this and the instruction in it. So this actually, you have to open it to read the instructions in there. And just because I've been using it all this while, I think it should also have gloves in it. Like I said, I've been using it before, so it has gloves in it. Okay, you see, 2 pairs, because they expect you to use one relaxer at a time. So, and it has like a stirrer. It also comes oh, hold on, let me get it. So, it doesn't come with something like this. This is a cup. So you have to do is pour in the mixture in here and then apply it on your hair. So that is what it is. So these are the instructions. If you have not used it before, please go ahead and read the instructions here. It's gonna help you a whole lot so that you will not spoil your hair. Yeah, so pre-relaxing care. If hair has been previously relaxed, if hair has been relaxed previously, prepare and pre-straighten previously relaxed hair before relaxing by, okay? And if it has not been relaxed before, okay, they said, so after mixing activator 1 with whatever according to the, so we should spread relaxing mixture evenly and start from each of the scalp. So one thing I love about myself is, I don't know, I already know a lot about this. That is the reason. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. I'm just gonna jump into, so I'm gonna cut out, this is, like I said, this is the relaxer, this is the activator. So I'm gonna just mix them in. I'm actually nervous, yo, because it's actually been 5 years or 4 years. I started in 2017 and 18, 19, 20, 21, and this is 22. That's actually 5 years. I went natural. I stopped relaxing my hair, and now I'm going back to it. I'm actually nervous of my hair falling off. I think that's what I'm most scared of, like my hair, me losing my hair. That's one thing I'm just scared of. My heart is actually pounding right now, yo. It's really, really pounding that I might lose a whole lot of my hair. It is my first thing first. The weakest point of my hair is here, the front and the back. So I have my coconut oil right here, and yeah, I'm actually gonna use it to apply around the areas that is the weakest part of my hair. Please, if you see me looking this way, there's my mirror is right there, so my mirror is gonna be my guide. So I'll be looking there. So I'm just going to use it and place it around. So this is what it looks like, and then we're going to start off. I don't even know how to start at this point. I'm looking at myself and I feel like I'm disappointing myself already. So I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections. This is the second one. I want the front to be the last, so I'll start with the back first. I go around it first. So, like so, we have the one pass. So I'm gonna open it. Then we'll start applying. So I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing actually. So while it's marinating, we'll just while it's marinating, we can just roll it around and then leave it. One done. So I decided to just do some of this off camera so that you guys could see, and then because just speed up whatever we're doing. So right now I have already laid down this part. Mind you, this hair is already, I'm feeling some type of way with it, so I just have to rush up with this one so that we can just finish up what we're doing. One wrong thing I did before retouching this my hair is leaving my hair the way it was kinky without combing it out. And if you comb it out, it's just going to be way easier for you. And I decided to use my bare hands now because I feel like I can work faster with it. So what I'm doing is each section I get each section like so. So that I can detangle and then apply the product, apply the relaxer on each stand. So that's what I'm doing right now. You can see that. So because we want the whole hair to have every coat of the relaxer, even to the tip of the hair. That's the point. So now I'm going to keep doing that. So as you open, you just then run your brush or your comb through it, making sure that every strand gets a coat of this relaxer, okay? White tooth comb to just comb everything. Okay. So this is what the hair is looking like. So I'm pretty much gonna cover it for some time. So I'll give it about 5 minutes. And I'll be back here. I'll go wash it out. I'm not gonna show you guys. And if you're gonna wash it out, make sure you're going in with warm water. Don't use cold water, please. Don't use cold water to wash it out. Don't use hot water. Use lukewarm water to wash it out. It helps to take out the chemicals and all that stuff. It's burning now. I can feel it in my sensation, in my brain, in my everywhere that is burning. So I'm gonna go over to the bathroom, wash it out, and then I would be back to show you guys what it looks like. So I'll be washing it out with the shampoo. I'll first of all wash the whole thing out, then go in with shampoo, and then go in with conditioner, and then I'll be back, y'all. So see y'all in a second. That here, this one's here, which were the last ones I touched, are still having issues, you know, breaking down. You can still see my curls. While over here, not everything is almost like relaxed. I started feeling so much pain. So girl, guys, I had to go, you know, do justice to it so that I won't lose so much. So my hair just feels like I don't know how I'm gonna explain it. You just feel like there's nothing in there. It just feels so lightweight. So I'm gonna apply the leave-in. This is the leave-in they gave me to straighten the hair. So I'm just gonna use it and apply it on the hair. Ooh, wow, it smells real good. So I'm just applying it all over my hair. I'm gonna apply everything. I'm going to apply everything, and I'm just thinking, I don't want to use heat on it now, because what I usually do that actually killed my hair then was you finish retouching, you then use heat. I'm not going to use heat right now. What I'm going to do, once I'm done, I'm just going to comb it and just, you know, style it and let it dry by itself. I let it air dry. So I'm using this small tooth comb. I'm just going to, yeah, you can see that not everything got relaxed. The whole hair, not every hair. Like you see, these ones are still having issues. They're like, hell yeah. Oh, 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 this thing is getting to my scalp. Oh my God, it feels so good. Just like, oh, oh, just like me massaging my whole scalp. Shit, man. Let me get my mirror. Yes, yo. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like tomorrow morning when it's fully dried, yo. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. So yeah, this is what it is looking like. This is what we're looking like right now. And I love it. This is what we're looking like from that to this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, let it dry and dry in, you know, we're going to see what we're going to do. I want to braid this hair. I want to make sure that when I'm braiding it, I'm getting every piece of my scalp. I want my scalp to be showing. And the hair I want to braid is tiny, tiny hair. Like, it's extra small, but it's not that it's too tiny, but extra small. Yeah, that's what I want to do to my hair, yo. So it could last. So it could last. Oh, yo, it feels so good. So yeah, this is it. This is the end of it. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Love you. Mwah. Bye.